makes you feel loved, just warm and loved, and I don't know, somebody did something for you.
Scarf Frenzy is a wonderful, wonderful event. This is our third annual. We provide as many items as we can for our students to stay warm.
I think it just fit me.
I probably did a dozen scarves this year. I did a couple house slippers. I've done cowls. I did a shawl. It's just my way of giving back to the community.
It is just something that we work on all year long to help out our students.
I've needed a scarf for so long and haven't got one. I'm so glad I finally be able to have a scarf that works well.
They have struggles and all kinds of different issues that we don't often have. So this is just a little way to show our appreciation.
I got it for my grandma so she can wear it to my soccer games because I'm on the soccer team here and it's Wright State colors, so woo.
I picked the scarf just because really it just matched everything because it's gray and I think it's nice and cozy and warm.
I like the button a whole lot, the tassels in the back, lots of different colors. Really, it's just a lot more interesting than I was expecting to find.
It was made from the heart because it's being given to somebody who will treasure it and who will hopefully think this was made for me. And it wasn't just on an assembly line. It wasn't just, in a store. This was something that was truly made because somebody cared about me.